Which is larger, 2 to the third power or 2 to the tetration of 3? So let's do the first one first. 2 to the third power just mean that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equal to 8. How about the second one? How do you do that? This is 2 to the tetration of 3, okay? This is how you read this. 2 to the tetration of 3, okay? So what exactly is a tetration? Let me explain that. So for example, right here, let's go. The first case would be let's try to understand multiplication first. What is a multiplication? Multiplication is just a repeated addition. Okay. For example, right here, 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is that equal to? It's just equal to what? 3 times 2. So you repeat the repeated addition. This, see? So 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, what's the next one? The second one would be exponentiation. What is exactly is exponentiation? It's just a repeated multiplication. It's just a repeated multiplication basically. For example, right here, 2 times 2 times 2, which is, you can rewrite that as 2 to the third power, or it's just equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So that's the answer. How about the last? Now we're going to come down to, we try to understand what is a tetration. So tetration is it's just a repeated exponentiation. Okay, repeated exponentiation. So for example, right here, if you have 2, okay, let's do this. If you have 2 raised to the 2, raised to the 2, the power 2, and then raised to the power 2 again, what is that equal to? So now 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. Instead of writing that as a repeated exponentiation, instead of writing that, you can write this. 2 raised to the tetration of 3. So that's equal to each other right there. So how do you simplify 2 raised to the 2 raised to the 2? So first you have to do this first right here. What is 2 to the 2? What is 2 raised to the 2 will be 4. So that's just equal to what? 2 raised to the 4. What is 2 raised to the 4? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So that's this 2 to the tetration of 3 is equal to 16. So basically, this one is bigger right here. So this is 6, and this is 16. Okay, so 6 is less than 16, so this one is bigger. So I hope you understand all of that, all the explanation right here. So multiplication is just repeated addition right here. Exponentiation is just repeated multiplication. And then tetration, that's what we try to understand here, is a repeated exponentiation. Okay, you see that? If 2 raised to the 2 raised to the 2, you can rewrite that as 2 to the tetration of 3. So same thing. So it's a repeated exponentiation. And if you simplify this, 2 raised to the 2. So when we solve this, you have to do the top first. 2 raised to the 2 would be 4. 2 raised to the 4 would be 16 right there. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.